Yeah.
Hey, welcome to my channel. So I'm going to go ahead and jump right into it. So for this Organize My Life, I went ahead and did November through December of this year, quarter 1 of 2021, and quarter 2 of 2021. I am only going to be focusing on November and December just because I have different goals for those portions of next year. And then I also want to see what all I complete or can get ahead of by the end of this year. So I will be going over 6 categories that I want to focus on. You go ahead and get a pen and paper and you write down 3 or 4 things that you want to do as well. There's a reason why you clicked on this video, and here at this channel, we want to help each other. So my category starts as number 1, finance. Number 2, health and fitness. Number 3, self-care. Number 4, work-life balance. 5, business tasks. And 6, relationship/family. So let's go ahead and start with finance. So as you can see, the last couple of clips have just been me going through this purple book, and that is my budget planner. It is from Go Plans or Budget Plans. I flashed it a minute ago of what it was called, but that is what I am currently using to do my finances. I have already did a strict budget for November that I'm already failing at. So what we're going to go ahead and do is make sure that we are noting our mistakes and going ahead and writing down solutions to those mistakes. So on that page I'm showing, that is kind of my expense tracker, debt tracker type of layout. But the key thing with finances is that you can plan all day long, but if you do not follow through with what you've planned, it is not going to work out. So here I am showing that's my happy planner, and I just took an old layout and I'm going to write down all 6 categories. I believe I left off one. I want to say, I can't remember which one I left off. We'll circle back around to that one, but yeah, we're going to go ahead and start there. Finance. So financial goal number 1 is going to be track spending. And that's just pretty much keeping up with what you purchase. And number 2 is going to be make and follow a debt payoff plan. And what that is pretty much just listing all of my debts, such as credit card bills, medical bills, anything like that. And I will be constructing a plan to pay those off as quickly as possible without putting myself in a hole or bad situation. So what I am doing now is pretty much just writing down these categories in my happy planner and listing them out and trying to plan out when these tasks can be completed. I am nothing without a good plan. I don't know if it's ADD or what it is, but if I don't have a plan or if it's not written down, honey, it is not going to get done, period. So I'm going to go ahead and keep it going and go ahead and head to the next one. So I listed all of them there except for finance. I remember now. So going along with health and fitness. Okay, so for self-care, I did have 3 goals. And those 3 goals are to take my vitamins daily. I do take elderberry right now and Alive vitamins for immunity support. Due to what's going on in this world, you got to make sure your body is in tip-top shape. My second goal is going to be eat healthier options and cook 4 meals a week. Those two go hand in hand because when I do set a goal to cook, I do cook, but I don't tend to cook healthy options. I'm going for the linguine. I'm going for the enchilada bake. I'm going for simple stuff, hamburger helper, you know, everything that's not healthy. So I'm trying to get more into cooking vegetables every meal and cutting out all the carbs and starches that I so love. And my last and final goal for health and fitness is going to be work out 4 times a week. I do pretty good with working out. I have slowed down a bit since I have picked up a second job. So it's pretty much just doing a couple of exercises a couple times a week. And that is not enough for me, for the way that I eat anyway. So I'm definitely going to be more specific on what kind of workouts I'm doing and make sure they are targeting the areas that I feel are problem areas for myself. So for self-care, I do like to do things like groom eyebrows, do makeup every now and again, manicures, pedicures, face masks, things like that, do my hair, deep conditioning. All of those things fall under self-care for me. Whatever you want to do that boosts your mood is what you would put for your self-care. I also like to include what I am eating as far as vitamins. I like to have a balance of what I feel like I'm missing or what my body is telling me I'm missing. So I do take elderberry and some vitamins for energy as well. So for work-life balance, I do try to do things that don't take away from my work, such as cleaning my desk while I'm at it, maybe fold clothes or throw some clothes in the washing machine or dryer, loading and unloading the dishwasher, cleaning off the counters, things like that. Possibly editing a video, doing my spending tracker, or keeping up with my budget. I do practice Spanish throughout the week. I'm trying to learn. I work in that workbook as well as Duolingo. I do read a scripture out of my book every once in a while. Check the mail, go through my mail. I was showing my tablecloth that I bought because this one is horrendous, so don't judge. We're almost there. So for business tasks, my goal is to make sure I track everything. If I'm on the go, I like to use this little clipboard type folder. And then I also have like a weekly board. Oh, hi, Prince. I have a weekly board where I post what I would like to complete that day that is business related. As you see, like as of today, I'm supposed to be deciding a thumbnail and things like that. But normally I just write these tasks down in my happy planner along with my daily list. If you remember from the beginning of the video where I was showing kind of like my task and those little daily inserts, that's what I use to plan out my day, and I incorporate my business tasks with those days. Now, my business tasks do vary. It can go from editing, it can go from research on different things. As you can see, this YouTube video is all over the place. And oh yeah, here's the sheet right there. That's the weekly layout. And I might add in some business things on that page as well. But yes, there's definitely a learning curve to YouTube. So I have learned about thumbnails, I've learned about editing, and of course I don't have it all together, but it is definitely coming along. Last but not least, we have relationships and family, and I only have a couple of things for that. Spend quality time with friends. You definitely want to incorporate little dates and outings, send a text or interact on social media, spend time with your significant other, and then overall just check on your people. Like, just make sure everyone's state of mind is okay with these trying times. So we have definitely reached the end, and I am excited. All right, so here is my finished product. I actually put it in here with my workspace so I could be constantly reminding when I am daily planning in general, as I normally do it in here. So, and right under the Lord's Prayer, so I can manifest everything into existence. So I thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Please bear with me. This is my first YouTube video and it is definitely a learning curve. So I am definitely hitting that. So stick with me. I definitely appreciate your support and you guys be blessed and have a good day.